grape, lemon, banana,
How the
water.
wait? How the eighth notes are sounded? One and right? Lemon, 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 lemon. It's not lemon. What you're reading is lemon. Like, got it?
Uh-huh. Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir, I understood.
One and, two and, three and. It goes eight notes. When it goes to triplets, banana, 1 2 3 1 2 3, it goes like that. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Watermelon, one knee anna, one knee anna, one knee anna, watermelon, watermelon, one knee anna, one knee anna. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When the eighth note and 16th note are mixed, blueberry, 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 right?
Yes, sir.
You getting the difference between the notes? When you
Uh-huh.
say cucumber, cucumber, ku short, kum has eighth note, and ber is another 16th note stroke. Okay. Grape, lemon, 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 grape. Right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Play that.
Grape, lemon,
Don't sing anything else. Sing this. Grape, grape, lemon, 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 grape.
grape, grape, lemon, grape, grape, lemon, lemon,
Why lemon,
grape.
lemon? See, I'll go little slow still. Okay, you're not up to the mark. Come on. See, grape, lemon. Do this only. Do this on the keyboard. Grape, lemon, banana, banana, like this. Watermelon, watermelon. Pick any key. Do this exercise first. Come on. Grapes, lemon, banana. Each five times now.
Yes, sir.
Turn on metronome, clap, sing. Grape, 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 lemon, 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 banana, 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 watermelon, 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 blueberry, 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 coconut, coconut, cucumber, 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 mango, grape, 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 banana, 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 blueberry, 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 watermelon, 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 watermelon. Easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Singing a fruit
Yeah.
name is easy. Okay,
Blue-
sell the fruits.
Blueberry. Yes, sir. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry.
Hmm.
Yes. Blueberry, 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 blueberry.
Blueberry, 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 blueberry. So keep that in mind. Blue, always the B should come occur on the beat. Blueberry, 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 coconut, 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 cucumber, 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 cucumber. Everything should go in the same beat.
So blueberry, 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 blueberry.
Why stop? Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Why that jerk? So your body is not aligned with the rhythm, it is not responding to the rhythm. That's simple. Your sense, no. Your sense is not happening with the rhythm. Okay? So you
Mm-hmm.
have to practice a lot.
Yes, sir.
Understand the rhythm first, then you play keyboard. Simple.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Hmm. Come on. Practice, practice.
Blueberry, 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 blueberry.
Blueberry, 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 coconut, 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 coconut.
Blueberry, 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 blueberry. No, yes, sir. coconut, 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 grape, 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 blueberry, 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 banana, 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 lemon, 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 coconut, 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 coconut,
You don't
coconut,
like
coconut.
mango?
Yes,
No.
I do.
Then sing. Yes, not going to mango only.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Mango, 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 orange, 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 orange.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
See you in the next class.
Sure, sir. Sir, just a minute.
Hmm.
Could you send me the banana, mango?
Don't you know the fruit?
Yes, sir, I do, but like,
Then
yeah,
do that.
wait.
You sing. You know. That's what I told. What is your karate? Sorry. What is this one? Taekwondo shouts. What is your shout showing?
Yes, sir.
Wait. I can send it. But don't too much dependent on something. You got idea, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yeah.
send. I send to other students also. I'll send this also to you. No problem. What my thought is, you know the fruit name.
Yes, sir.
Sing simply. That's why I give the fruit name. I would have given something else. 1, 2, 3, 4 also works. But remembering fruit is fine. Orange, 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 orange. Oh, how much O is there? Range, how much? Okay.
Yes,
Orange,
sir.
orange, 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 orange. Mango, 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 mango. Cucumber, 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 cucumber. Blueberry, 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 watermelon, 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 banana, 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 lemon, 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 lemon. You can get the speed. Then grape, 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 grape. Same, right? Grape, 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 grape. Then change it to lemon. Lemon, 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 lemon. Banana, 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 banana. Then change it to watermelon. Watermelon, 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 watermelon.
Yes, sir.
Is it difficult?
Uh-huh.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Your focus makes you what you are. Simple. Do this. Watermelon, watermelon. Sing now only you can do. You no need any script for this. You
Yes, sir.
need any
Yeah.
script for saying watermelon.
No, sir.
Do that. Turn on the metronome and do that. Keep on practicing watermelon. If you find difficult in watermelon, do the watermelon, 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 watermelon. Change the keys. Change the this white keys, black keys, everything mix. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Hmm.
Sir.
Fine. See you in the next class. Practice till that.
Okay.